Hello, Bristol Eastern. Mrs. Kenny here with this week's installment of Techie Tuesday. The last Techie Tuesday of the 2014-15 school year. Yay! So as it's the end of the school year, I thought we'd talk about how to sort of clean up your Google Drive so it's nice and fresh for next year, and for those of you who are graduating or moving on to other schools, what you can do to get copies of your work somewhere else. So the first step could be the same for everybody. You sort of want to try to get lots of things into one folder instead of, I have a lot of folders. I can't do this completely with mine, but I'm going to create one new folder, and I'm going to call it 2014 to 15. Create it, and it appears over here. If you don't see those things there, I clicked on the little arrow. So I can take things that are in this folder, things that I'm like, all right, that was for this year, and next year I'm going to make a new one, or I won't need it again. Anything you want, and you can click and drag into that folder. If there are multiple items you want to move in there, you can like start at the top and find the bottom one that you want, and if you hold down the shift key while you click on it, everything in the middle will highlight, and maybe there's one in there you decided you didn't want to take with you into that folder. I held down the control key and then clicked, and then it unhighlights certain things. So those are some tips for getting multiple files highlighted or unhighlighted. And again, you can just click and drag things into this place where it says 2014-15. Now, to make a backup of it for at home, I've clicked on it once, and I'm going to come over to here to more actions, and I can say download, and it's going to make a zip file of everything there, and now it's showing up on this computer in my download section. You could, if it's your home computer, you could put it in your My Documents, you could put it on the desktop, you could put it on a flash drive, those of you who think you're going away to school and you want to take these things with you. Also, another option would be then to now take this folder, and if you have a Gmail account that you use for personal reasons, you could theoretically come here, and I have one. I have a second Gmail account. I'm going to go here and I'm going to share it. I don't need an email. I'm going to share it with my other account. So, and it's going to say, like, you're not part of bristolk12.org. Are you sure you want to do it? For now, I'm going to say yes. Go here and switch to my other Google Drive. There we go. And I come over to shared with me. You can see there's that folder here. And then if you wanted to take another step and make sure it's easily found instead of having to go to the shared with me section every time, you could say add it to my drive. I could pick a folder if I wanted to. I could make a new folder, or if I just click move right now, it would now appear here under my drive somewheres. So it should be in there somewhere, unless I stuck it in the wrong folder. But you get the idea. I don't have time to go through every possible way of saving and moving your files, but those are a few of the tricks. It's either, first of all, get everything in a folder for this school year that you're done with, and the second step would be to make backups onto a flash drive or to share it with another Google account, particularly if you are graduating and you want to make sure you have these files with you when you leave. I don't know when the files will be deleted. I'll try to let you know as soon as I know. If you have any questions, as always, stop by, see me in the library, and have a terrific Tuesday. Thank you.